going on, everybody? So I'm sitting here editing today's video, and I want to show you some clips of what it's like trying to record with animals. So hope you enjoy this. This should be fun. What's up, buddy? Attention. So bite my hat. You're gonna try to bite my hat, aren't you? Yep. It's not. You can't eat my hat. You can't. It's not. No. It's not food, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay. So he wanted to chase chickens. What can I say? Wanna say hi to the people? Yeah. Okay. So a few things here. As you can see, it's not always easy trying to film with animals, but I do hope you enjoy this video. Sorry it's short. There's not a lot into it. It's just hard to get some filming done with the way the animals and stuff are acting. Plus, there's a lot of stuff going on outside. But appreciate y'all hanging out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video in our channel with your friends. We'd love to have them come aboard and hang out with us. Don't forget to leave your comments below, and also definitely don't forget to turn that notification bell on, so that way you know whenever we post. And absolutely the most important thing is don't forget to live life differently. We'll catch y'all later.